Okra's many health benefits. Amazing benefits of okra. Okra, spelled okro in my country, is referred to as lady's finger. Okra comes in two colors, red and green. They both taste the same, and the red one turns green when cooked. Okra is classified as a fruit and is generally used as a vegetable in cooking. Okra nutrients. This green veggie is filled with folic acid, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and some vital phytonutrients. Additionally, okra is low in calories and carbs and contains some protein and fiber. Okra is rich in antioxidants that may reduce your risk of serious diseases, prevent inflammation, and contribute to overall health. Most notably, it contains polyphenols that may contribute to heart and brain health. Okra boosts digestion. Dietary fibers present in okra aids in effective digestion and improve bowel movement. Fibers are known to cure stomach ailments such as constipation, IBS, and even indigestion. Okra strengthens bones and improves eyesight. Like other leafy greens, okra is rich in calcium, which helps keep your bones healthy and strong. Okra also has high levels of vitamin A, so okra benefits your eye health and improves immunity against related diseases. Okra manages diabetes. Okra can help stabilize blood sugar and reduce blood sugar spikes after eating, making it a natural way to manage diabetes. Research in mice indicates that eating okra or okra extract may help decrease blood sugar levels. Okra improves heart health. High cholesterol levels are associated with a greater risk of heart disease. Okra contains a thick gel-like substance called mucilage, which binds to cholesterol during digestion, causing it to be excreted with stools rather than absorbed into your body. Okra reduces stress. Folate plays an essential role in our health. It's a B vitamin that helps produce dopamine, which is responsible for helping naturally lift our mood while relieving feelings of stress. Ways you can cook okra. Okra can be cooked many ways. It can be fried, boiled, baked, grilled, and steamed. My favorite way to cook and eat okra is to fry it in olive oil, onions, garlic, pimento peppers, and tomatoes, seasoned with salt and pepper and a dash of tomato ketchup or turmeric. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can hit like and subscribe.